Hi everyone. Now I am going to show you the factorial of a number in Python. About factorial number. Product of all positive integers less than or equal to a given positive integer. It is denoted by n factorial. For example, if we take 5 factorial, it is 120. It means multiplying the numbers. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Then we will get 120. For this, we use simple iterative approach. Now we will see the practical explanation. For example, if we take number equal to 5, now we'll take result variable equal to 1. Now we will use statement. If number less than 0, int not possible. Factorial of negative number doesn't exist. So if number less than 0, int not possible. That's why we take result equal to 1. Else we use for loop. For I in range 1, number plus 1. Here range function is used to generate a sequence of numbers. Now we'll take result equal to result into I. Loop the multiple number from 1 to n and store the result in a variable result. Now we will print the result. Int factorial of number is result. Now it will print the result. Let's debug and run. Here, breaking point. If we take breaking point from if statement, now let's run and debug the statement. Now we will see here if number is less than 0. Here number is 5. Result is 1. We take number value 5, result value 1. Let's see. If we step over for I in range 1, number plus 1. We take here number plus 1. Here 5 plus 1, 6. Because we need 5 factorial, right? In range, top value is like exclusive, right? So we take plus 1 value. So result equal to result into 1. Here I value 1, number value 5, result value 1. Now we will take 1 into 1. Now we will get a value 2. A sequence of numbers, right? We have 1, number 1. Next 2. It's for loop, right? So we will get I value 2. Now result is 1, I value is 2. 2 into 1, 2. Here result, see, result is 2 now, not 1. Here result is 2 now. Now 2 into I value, 2 into 3, 6. Here result is 6. Now I value is 4. 4 into 6, 24. Now result will be 24. Next, I value will be 5. Next, 5 into result. Here result into I, 5 into result, 5 into 24, 120. In this way, it will print the factorial of number. Now it will print the result. Because I have 5 factorial, right? The result factorial of 5 is 120. It's like here, take 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. Here up to 5 factorial will come. Here number plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 is, it's like exclusive, right? So up to 5 factorial it will print. Now factorial of 5 is 120. Thank you everyone.